Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Today in this lecture I am going to start new topic, that is multiples and common multiples. For the better understanding, open your booklet page number 53. Firstly, I will explain what is multiple by definition. So let's start. A multiple is a number which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder. A multiple is a number. Which number? Which can be divided by another number without leaving any remainder. Mean multiple is that number. If you will divide the multiple by any other number and you get the remainder 0, then that number is called multiple. Now here are some key points about the multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1 because 1 divides every number without leaving any remainder. So every number is a multiple of 1. As I told you that multiple is a number which can be divided by another number. So every number is divisible by 1 without leaving any remainder. So every number is a multiple of 1. Multiples of a number are unlimited. Unlimited means there is no limit. There is no restriction that there are only 6 multiples or 2 multiples or 10 multiples. Multiples of a number are unlimited because we have many uncountable numbers. That's why their multiples are also unlimited. You cannot fix the number of the multiples by yourself because numbers are uncountable. That's why their multiples are also unlimited. A whole number is always a multiple of itself. Whole number mean 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are called whole number. So whole number is always a multiple of itself. Mean 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5. So 3 and 5 are the multiple of itself because 3 exactly divides itself and 5 exactly divides itself. That's why number is always a multiple of itself. Now I will explain you multiples with the help of this example. First 5 multiples of 5. First 5 multiples of 5. Here the number of the multiples are fixed. 5 multiples only because as I told you, multiples of the numbers are unlimited. So here in this examples they are just asking about first 5 multiples of 5. Multiples are actually the table of 5. Multiple in this example, multiples of 5 mean table of 5 and first 5 multiples mean up to 5. Let's start with the help of this picture. In the first picture, one flower is given and there are 5 petals in this flower. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 petals. So we will find the multiples with the help of these petals. So 5 petals multiply by 1 flower. 5 petals in 1 flower. So 5 ones are 5. Total petals are 5. In second row there are 2 flowers and in each flower there are 5 petals. So 5 and 5. 2 flowers. 5 twos are 10. In third row there are 1, 2, 3 flowers and in each flower there are 5 petals. 5, 5 and 5. 3 times 5, so 5 threes are 15 petals. In next row there are 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. 4 flowers and in each flower there are 5 petals. 5, 5, 5 and 5. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 fours are total 20 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers and in each flower there are 5 petals. So 5 fives are 25. Now 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Total number of the petals are actually the multiples of 5, because 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, these all numbers are divisible by 5 without leaving any remainder. It means 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 all are the multiples of 5. So multiples mean actually the table of that given number. Got it? Now I will explain you multiples through an example. For this you have to open your booklet, page number 53, same page. Two examples are already done for you. For more better understanding, follow the examples which I am going to explain you by myself. So firstly I will explain you these two examples over here. 9 is a multiple of 3. Why? Because when you will divide the 9 by 3, 9 is exactly divisible by 3 with the remainder 0. 3 3 is a 9. It means 9 is a multiple of 3. 45 is a multiple of 5. Why? Because 45 is exactly divisible by 5 by 9 with the remainder 0. 5 9 is a 45. It means 45 is a multiple of 5. So let's start the example. I will solve an example for you to give you the clear concept that how to find the multiples. I will solve the example like this pattern for you. Let's start the example. Find the multiples of 3. Find the multiples of 3. So how we will start the multiples? Multiples mean numbers which can be divided by another number. Numbers which can be divided by another number leaving no remainder. So find the multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3. As I told you, multiples mean table of that given number. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. And unlimited. As I told you that multiples of the given numbers are unlimited. So these all are the multiples of 3. Why? Because these all numbers, these all multiples are exactly divisible by 3 leaving no remainder. Like 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. Exactly divisible by 3 without leaving any remainder. That's why these all are called multiples of 3. Unlimited multiple, that's why continuation is over here. You can find more multiples of 3. Next is find the multiples of 5 like the 3. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. And continue, because again you can find the unlimited multiples of 5. There is no restriction in these two examples that how many multiples should be over here. So you can find unlimited multiples. Why these all are the multiples of 5? Because these all numbers are exactly divisible by 5 without leaving any remainder. And you can see this is the table of 3 and this is the table of 5. Actually multiples are the tables. Now in this example, come to this example, list the first 6 multiples of 8. Now here is a restriction for you that only find the 6 multiples of 8. In these two examples there was no restriction, that's why continuation was over here, that you can find the unlimited multiples of 3 and 5. But in this example there is a restriction that only list the first 6 multiples of 8. Means first 6, you will start from the 1. So multiples of 8, 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. And 8 sixes are 48. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are the first 6 multiples of 8. Why? Because these all numbers are exactly divisible by 8 without leaving any remainder. That's why we call these all numbers as the multiples of 8. Now, as I hope you got the concept about the multiples through these examples. Now again come back to your booklet, page number 53. Now I will explain you common multiples through definition. As our topic was multiples and common multiples, you have learned about the multiples. Now we are going to start the common multiples. So I am going to explain you the common multiples with the help of definition. So let's start. Those multiples which are common in both of the numbers, means multiples, are called common multiples. Those multiples which are common in both of numbers, mean multiples, are called common multiples. Mean when you will find the multiples of any two numbers, if there is any multiple which is common in both given numbers, then that multiple is called common multiples. And maybe in same example there will be one common multiple, 2, 3, 4. There is no limit of the common multiples also. So firstly you will find the multiples and then you will check if there is any common multiple, any multiple which is common in both given numbers, then those multiples are called common multiples. Got it? Now come to your booklet, page number 54. Here an example is already done for you about the common multiples. I will solve this example again for you for the better understanding. So let's start the example. I will solve this one of the example for you related to this example, how to find the common multiples of the given number. So listen very carefully what are the steps to find the common multiples. Let's start the example. Example is, list the first 6 multiples of 5 and 10. Also loop the common multiple. Now to find the common multiple, firstly you have to find the multiples, and in this example as you can see there is a restriction. First 6 multiples means you will just find the 6 multiples of 5, 6 multiples of 10, and then you will find the common multiple. So let's start. First 6 multiple of 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These all are the first 6 multiples of 5. Why the multiples of 5? Because these all numbers are exactly divisible by 5 without leaving any remainder. Now first 6 multiples of the second number 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50 and 10 six are 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 multiples of 10. As our topic is common multiples, so now we will find the common multiple of 5 and 10. Common multiple mean those multiples which are common in both. So let's start to check what are the common multiples of 5 and 10. 10 is the common multiple of 5 and 10 because 10 is the multiple of 5, 10 is the multiple of 10. Second is 30. 30 is the multiple of 5, 30 is also the multiple of 10. There is no more multiple which is common in both. So the common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10 and 30. These two are the common multiples of 5 and 10. So 10 and 30 are the common multiples of the given numbers 5 and 10. Got it? Very easy, just you have to find the multiples of the given numbers, then you will check the multiples which are common in both. Here 10 and 30 are common in both. It means 10 and 30 are the common multiples of 5 and 10. I hope you got the concept of multiple